Ah, that wasn't a very wise decision. Excuse me. Okay, well, that helped a lot. Hello, everyone. I'm back with more Minecraft, and this is going to be another great video because I have some company now. I've already told you about my previous pets that were slain by others, and so now I have some new pets in a new world, which I had to get a lot of materials in order to obtain. And in this video, I will actually be using some of them. Yeah. Okay. Back to babies. Anyways, here they are now. Four pale wolves that I gave each of them very special names. See, there's Taylor, for which, for those of you who know why, I completely understand you. And then there's William for William Shakespeare, and then there's Miles for Miles from Tomorrowland, and there's Selena for Selena Gomez. All right. No. Now, what I want to do is get a reliable food source so I can. Oh, and also make a lot of boats. My goal for this world is to get my new animal friends into portals so I cannot deal with them much. Yeah. As can you imagine having a lot of animals by your side? It would get really annoying really fast if you don't like hearing their sounds. No. Ah. Well, that wasn't a very wise decision. Okay, there's some coal. I- Okay, let's. Luckily, I've got this pickaxe now. Let's. Um. Okay, where was I? Oh, I didn't realize I had it in my hand. Okay. Oh, that's a. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's a Arctic fox. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Oh, that's gravel, huh? What? Okay, now I can get some more coal and. Oh, okay, now I have some reliable fuel. Wait, I also need some like. Okay, there we go. My axe. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, that's the way we want to go. And now let's see if I can actually find some animals now. Ah, finally. A cow. Okay, that's the ravine. We did not want to go down there. Hmm. Oh, no. Yes. Okay, there we go. Pig. Oh my god, these trees. And my axe broke, and I lost the pig. Okay, well, that helped a lot. Ah. Hmm. Oh, nope, nope. That is not what I was looking for. Nope. Hmm. Okay, let's. All right, let's see what we can do. Now. Okay. Okay, I upset an Enderman, and I don't think you want to see me like this. So, thank you for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.